Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see My Watch page. On it, find the All Watches option in the top left corner. Once you find it, tap on it. And right here you should see a list of your watches, and on it you should see your Apple Watch 9. Now tap on the info icon next to it, and here tap on Unpair Apple Watch, and then tap on Unpair Apple Watch, and confirm by entering the password for your Apple ID account. And once you enter the password, tap on Unpair in the top right corner to confirm. Okay, and once you see, or rather, as you can see, the watch was removed from the application, and also it's been reset to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.